Hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Tapo from TP-Link Matter-enabled smart plug, which is really kind of cool. It says it supports Amazon, it supports Google Home, and it also supports Matter. So this is pretty cool. And so it's very simple. It's just another smart plug, but not just any smart plug. It's a smart plug that supports Matter. So you can see it has the Matter QR code on it and everything else, but it's just a simple plug. It has a on-off button as well if you want to do things manually. And basically, you just plug this in, and you can bring it into your smart home stuff. For example, Apple HomeKit, and because it's Matter, you can share it with other Matter devices. You can pair the plug to the Tapo app. Just click the plus and follow the prompts to select the Tapo P125M plug. Plug in the plug. Select Already Orange and Blue. The app should find the plug. Then enter your Wi-Fi info. Once connected, enter a name for it and select a room it is located in. You then select an icon to represent it. Finally, it will check for a firmware update. That's it, all set. You can select the plug and turn it off and on. For adding via Matter, make sure the plug is reset. Then select the Home app on your iPhone. Press the plus icon and then add accessory. Now scan the Matter QR code on the end of the plug. Select Add to Apple Home. Once connected, select the room and name it. Plus, define how to display it, fan, light, or outlet. That's it. Now you can turn the plug on and off from Apple Home. Since it is a Matter plug, you can add it to other Matter controllers. We added ours to SmartThings. Select the plug and then the gear icon in the bottom. Scroll to the bottom and select Turn on Pairing Mode. Now copy the code in the pop-up. You need it in SmartThings. Navigate to the SmartThings app. Select Plus and Add Device. Under Other Methods, select Enter Code. Paste the code into the pop-up. If you have more than one hub, select the one you want. We have the SmartThings station, so we selected that. Select Add to iCloud account. Once found, name it. Keep in mind, when you're done, HomeKit will have one name and SmartThings this other name. But it will still be the same plug. And both HomeKit and SmartThings will control it and report its state. SmartThings will finish connecting, and then you can select the room. All set. Now you can turn it on and off with SmartThings. And of course, HomeKit too. That's it. That's the Tapo Matter-enabled smart plug. Thank you for watching.